Midwest Picker on YouTube.
Hey, Midwest Picker here. I'm not even sure if I'm going to upload this video. If you're watching this, obviously I did. I am on my way to source a product that I found on Facebook Marketplace. This is a business, True Value Rental. They rent skid steers and bobcats and bulldozers and nuclear reactors, all kinds of stuff. They just rent a bunch of stuff. And as this stuff gets old, I'm sure they trade it out for new equipment, but they maintain their own stuff. So if it's, needs a new mower blades on a riding mower, if it needs this, it needs that. So they have this huge inventory of oil filters, fuel filters, air filters, just a bunch of stuff. Now, I bought from them in the past some oil filters, and these are like commercial grade, still sealed in the package. They only want like $2 a piece or $5 a piece, really cheap. I'll put a picture up of some I've sold recently. Cost of goods $2.50, sell for $15. Lot them up, sell 2 together. They ship easy. They are in demand because people do keep this older equipment and they still have to maintain it. This is what you call a replenishable, kind of like a McDonald's Big Mac. When you own equipment, you have to change the oil in the oil filter, the air filters, all that stuff. So people are looking for it and they do buy it. So I don't think I'm going to film any video inside the business, but I'm going to show you what I got. Quick shout out to one of my shorts. I'm surprised how few views it has. I mean, I put up these stupid YouTube shorts that are just nothing, and they get like 700 views, 500 views, 1,000 views. I put up this YouTube short that I thought would be pretty popular. I sold a used light bulb for $140. So I think people just assume it's clickbait because they don't know me. It's not clickbait. It's real. I encourage you to go watch it because it's a huge bolo. Be on the lookout. So check out that short. Maybe I'll link it down below in the description. So the next video you'll see is me back at the homestead at the eBay office, showing you what I got. So let's go. All right, we're back at the homestead. The leaves are changing already and they are falling. I don't know if you could see that. So anyways, I'm back. I'm going to flip the camera around and show you what I got. Alright, it's kind of ironic that it's called gold. These are oil filters for equipment. Bobcat. These are whatever. 16 different items. I paid $100. So it averages out to $6.25 per item. But I've sold these in the past. I lotted them up 2 for $35. So I already know that's $35. These I have to look up. Maybe I'll put comps on the screen as I'm talking. I don't know. I actually bought these blind. So she wanted, let's see here, 4 of these. This one, this one, this one, and this one for $10. So $2.50 a piece. And then she threw in all of this stuff. So instead of just those 4 for 10, she said, how about all of this for 100? I said, sure, why not? So I gotta look these up. These might be worth a little less. These might be worth a little more. These I don't even know what they are. I just saw John Deere. Gotta look these up. They're kind of sealed, so I didn't like pop the seal right at her store. But yeah, interesting. We'll see. We will see. This stuff does sell. I can put some solds up on the screen. Stuff like this sells like crazy. I'll lot these up 2 at a time, 2 at a time, 1 at a time, 3 available. 1, 1, 1. Put these together. So that's the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button on the way out. Subscribe, comment, share, hype, thanks button. It's getting too long, man. There's too many things. Till next time, see ya.